Hello friends, I was just driving on the road as usual. However, something very unusual happened on this day. This is something that I suspect involves some foul play or evil intentions on part of the driver of this Maruti Brezza car. The way he overtakes me in a hurry when the road in front is not very clear, and the way he stops suddenly and just not moving when the road is free, and then taking a left turn when he is in the right lane. What is he up to? What do you think he is up to? I'm not able to comprehend this. I'm not able to make out what is happening here. So I need your help here. Can any one of you let me know what could be the reason behind this man's weird activities and what he was up to when he did this sort of a thing? First of all, there was no need for him to overtake me there as the traffic in the front was slowing down. And secondly, if he had to take a left turn, then he should have remained in the left lane. Why did he come to the right lane? And thirdly, why did he just keep standing in front of me in the right lane when there was nothing ahead of him? Why did he just not move? The way he slowly crosses the road to the left, that's dangerous and does not make sense. All this doesn't add up well. Doesn't make any sense at all. And why would anyone do that? I have no idea. If you get any idea, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your replies. Please do share your opinion and comments. Now look at this person. That's absolutely rash driving.